Citrus carpet cleaning in Beaufort, Georgia. We are at Lazy Days Marina. We got us a houseboat we're doing this morning. She got some discolorations, as you can see in the carpet here. So we got one bedroom here. We got a secondary bedroom here. Got a little flight of stairs up to the upper deck there, the party deck as they're called. Then we got us a dining room and a living room. And then we have another downstairs bedroom with some spots. So like I say, it's about 9:45. We'll knock this out and then we'll take us an after video. Okay, we're all set. Just wrapped up this houseboat job. I see it's 10:30. Trick is going to be finding light switches. So this is $375 for this particular job. This was the bedroom that had the spots all came out nicely. And then the living room, dining room area. Said he's going to replace this carpet relatively soon, but wanted to just freshen it up for the season. Okay, so one of the cons of doing houseboats are, as you can see, this is the dock out towards the water, and this is the walk back towards the vehicle. So probably a good 300 yards from the actual vehicle. So obviously having portable equipment allows us to do the houseboats efficiently, as well as high rises and things of that nature. But you do have to trek up and down the docks to get back and forth to the boats. Now today, my customer suggested I get one of their little carts and bring all the equipment at one time, which I don't, normally I have actually never done out here on Lanier, but I figured why not, and make things a little easier today. So went and grabbed a cart, started to load up my equipment in the cart. The guy pulls up in his fancy car and says, "Do you have a boat out here?" I said, "No, sir, I'm cleaning carpet." And he said, "For who?" So I told him. He said, "Well, you tell him to get his own cart and put my cart back." I said, "Yes, sir, no problem." So he just kind of sat there for a minute, and I was trying to finish up what I was doing. He goes, "I'm going to wait." I'm like, okay. So I finished up what I was doing, wheeled his cart back over to his little spot, put it back where I got it, like I was going to do anyway. It's not like I'm a 12-year-old, you know, going to vandalize his property. So as I'm walking back over to the vehicle, he passes me, and I think he went up and locked up his little cart, I guess to make sure I wouldn't use it or anybody else. But I was like, you know, that guy does not have a what I would consider a boating attitude. You know, if it had been me, I'd just said, "Hey, you know, put it back when you're done, blah, blah, blah," if anything. But this guy clearly, or I assume, is having a bad day. So I mentioned, I told him, I said, "Well, you have a good day, sir." And he sped off. So that was that. Anyway. So wrapping up things here on Lanier, getting houseboats ready for the season, cleaning up their carpets and whatnot. So This is JR with Citrus Carpet Cleaning, Lake Lanier. We clean houseboats, houses, apartments, you name it. Well, we don't do vehicles. 770-652-0630 on the web at citruscarpetcleaningatlanta.com. And as always, take care and be kind.